Okay, so I'm sampling my chorizo, and as you see, it splashes a lot. So that's the thing about chorizo. Chorizo can be used in your frijoles, in your eggs, and your potatoes. It's really good. Like I said, it's easy to make. And it could be put in your eggs and your chorizo. I mean, in your eggs with chorizo and your chili beans. Let's see how that is. Yeah. Yeah, what the heck. It looks good, doesn't it? So I usually cook it until it's like thoroughly cooked. See that? And then at this point you can add an egg if you want. You can add your beans and refry them. Add potatoes. I would do it at this point. I would cook it first and then add whatever you want in there. Okay, hope that helps.